Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring and importing. Measure each wall, doorway, and window and note heights and clearances. This prevents rework later. Once done, photograph rooms and gather furniture dimensions so the design reflects reality. Make sure to pick a consistent scale, 1/4 inch per foot or 1/50, and import a floor sketch or site photo as a reference layer. Now open your floor plan creator, set grid units, and lock the reference. This gives you an accurate canvas to draw on immediately. You should draft the main walls and structural lines next, using grid snapping to ensure orthogonal accuracy. Draw partitions to scale, then place door swings and window frames because openings define circulation and natural light patterns. After that, add plumbing risers and major electrical points so systems don't clash with cabinetry. Make sure to layer elements, walls, then services, then furniture, so you can toggle visibility and avoid hidden conflicts. As you progress, validate circulation paths and minimum clearances to keep the plan functional. You finish by dimensioning everything and running area calculations to verify compliance and cost estimates. This is why accurate measurements matter. Then annotate materials, finishes, and installation notes so contractors have clear instructions. Export final files as PDF and DWG at the chosen scale and create a labeled version history to track revisions. If something goes wrong, double-check scale units and layer visibility. Mismatched units or hidden layers are the most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.